Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Occasionally, the team from Don Bosco Media Network in collaboration with the Don Bosco Youth Center visits different villages to aid underprivileged families by distributing various items contributed by well-wishers. On the 7th May this year, the Don Bosco Media Network team, along with the United for Christ Prayer Group, visited Maukanrao, Umtong village to distribute old clothes and to others. The program started with the briefing of the program by Babu Donbok, followed by the welcome address by Don Dor, who welcomed Father Michael Makri and the Don Bosco Media Network team and all who were there in Maukanrao, Umtong for the program. The basic Christian community of Maukanrao sang a welcome song followed by a dance from the young people of Umtong. Father Michael Makri, addressing the gathering, extended his appreciation to the organizers, friends who had helped the team, and to everyone present in the occasion. He shared his words of wisdom, urging the people to do good deeds no matter who we are or where we are, for the Almighty who created us wishes us to do good to one another. The program ended with the distribution of various goods to families in need, followed by the praise and worship conducted by the United for Christ group. Present in the occasion includes Salesian Brother Barnabas Kriem, manager of Don Bosco Technical School Shillong, United for Christ Prayer Group, members and leaders of the basic Christian community Maukanrao Umtong, men and women, kids and young people. Traditionally, the course consists of 3 monthly sessions, the last of which was held in the house of the Society of the Divine Word and lasted 2 days. 22 participants attended the course in person and online. Of these, 19 are already active animators and 3 are new. All of them participated in oratory activities as children and now want to continue as animators. During the 2 days, the participants reflected on the letter from Rome, which Don Bosco wrote on May 10, 1884, and delved into the main elements of the preventive system through a presentation by Father Andrich Porupchin SDB, in charge of the Salesian work in Gatchina. The animators also reflected on other topics including communication with new children and parents. In addition, there were many activities to support the animators' unity, team games, quizzes, workshops and discussions. Most of the course participants planned to take part in the children's recreational activities to be organized in July 2023. The Don Bosco School and Vocational Training Center in Recife, Bongi celebrated 75 years of activity, all dedicated to promoting the human, Christian and professional formation of adolescents and young people. Since its foundation, the institute has been based on the principles and values transmitted by St. John Bosco and has consolidated itself as a reference institution for quality education, offering students a formation that prepares them for life, counting on a team of qualified and committed collaborators. In its 75-year history, the institute has trained generations of young people who later became professionals, responsible parents, and committed citizens in their communities. As St. John Bosco said, education is a thing of the heart, and the Don Bosco School of Recife Bongi continues to educate its young people with love, dedication and commitment so that they can be agents of transformation in their lives and in the world. A retreat of the network of Don Bosco houses was held from May 4 to 7 at the Domingo Savio Youth Center in Duaca, Lara State. The activities were attended by 62 adolescents, both boys and girls, who live in the houses and courtyards of the Don Bosco Homes Network of Venezuela. On this occasion, the participants work on the theme My Life Project, receiving advice and teachings to start building or continuing their life projects. Likewise, it was an opportune time to get to know each other and share experiences, play games and visit tourist sites in the city of Barquisimeto. On May 6, the feast of Saint Domenico Savio was celebrated together with the Duaca community. About 150 girls, boys, teenagers and young people were present at the big celebration. It began with the Eucharist presided over by the Apostolic Administrator of the Archdiocese of Barquisimeto, Bishop Victor Hugo Basabe, in the presence of the Delegate for Youth Ministry of the Salesian Province of Venezuela, VEN, Father George Bastidas, and the Delegate of the Network of Don Bosco Houses, Father Felipe Colmenares. After the very Salesian joyful Eucharist and the subsequent fraternal agape, the afternoon was spent among sports competitions and recreational activities. This retreat of the Don Bosco Houses network was an enriching experience for both the adolescents and the educators who accompanied the journey. May 9, 2023 marked the beginning of the journey that will lead the Salesian Cooperators Association to May 9, 2026, when the 150th anniversary of the Holy See's recognition of the association as a public association of the faithful will occur. Given this significant milestone, Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime, in his capacity as Father and Unity Center of the Salesian family, and the association's World Coordinator Antonio Boxia, released a short video of animation and preparation. I want to encourage you for the 3-year period leading up to the celebration of 150 years, said the Rector Major. It will be a time to remember the beautiful journey made starting from a true dream that Don Bosco always had in his heart to express a present reality that has so much light and so many beautiful things. It will also be a time to think about the future, about how the Salesian cooperators of the world today must respond out of the fidelity to the Lord Jesus and in the footsteps of Don Bosco to a world that is certainly very different from that of the origins. Congratulations to all of you for setting out 3 years to arrive at a wonderful celebration of an extraordinary ecclesial reality and Salesian family. God bless you. The help of Christians undoubtedly protects the Salesian cooperators of the world. For his part, the World Coordinator of Salesian Cooperators adds, "We begin today this 3-year journey that will take us to 2026, a long journey which has marked many transformations of the association because Don Bosco wanted us as external Salesians, and as such we live in the world, and in 150 years societies have changed. Our task is to live in the present, looking to the future, but above all remembering our origins. This is the road we will take in these 3 years, and all Salesian cooperators will be key players." So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.